it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. Today I am going to try on 5 Warby Parker lenses for you guys. As always guys, there are timestamps in the description below if you're looking for a specific piece of information. Now I absolutely love Warby Parker. I currently have the Haskell glasses, which you've seen in some videos. Actually needed to update my prescription, so fun fact, if you do buy glasses from Warby Parker and you need to update your prescription lenses, it literally only costs $50, which is so much cheaper than the optometrist. Trust me, they were about to charge me $150 for new lenses, even though that's how much Warby Parker's most expensive frame I think costs. So, no thank you. So I'm super excited because I've done this before, but I've never done this on my channel. So this time I made a couple of different changes. I made sure that they were all medium instead of like narrow. I accidentally got some narrow ones and my face is not narrow. I wasn't really paying attention for that. So definitely make sure that when you're on the online thing to pick medium or narrow or wide depending on your face shape. I also made sure that it was like a standard bridge. And if you guys don't know if you're medium, narrow, or wide, they tell you to kind of just like guess based on when you put a hat on. Is it too small, is it too big, or is it just right traditionally for you? And that's how you go off of it. I tried to pick glasses based on the fact that I really liked my Haskell glasses, so I tried to pick similar shape. So I'm very good with round ones. I think rectangular ones don't do well with my face shape, so comment below which style is your favorite. So first up we have the frame Hudson in the color Brush Navy. I try to keep these colors pretty neutral just because the glasses that I have right now are kind of a little eccentric, so I kind of wanted one neutral. The second pair I have to try on for you guys is the Blair, and this is in the color Rose Gold. Honestly, I really love Warby Parker. Warby Parker is my favorite pair of glasses that I own. I always get a lot of compliments on it. And the fact that they send a pair of glasses, prescription glasses, to someone in need when you buy a pair of prescription glasses. So I think that's really awesome. All right, the third pair of glasses I have to try on are the Haskell. So it's literally the same model as my previous glasses, but they're in a different color. They're burnt lemon tortoise. So here we go. The next glasses that I have to try on are Percey in the color Mission Clay Fade. This looks like my hair, right? Dark at top, light on the bottom. It's kind of trippy too. Like my color changes right when this changes. You guys see this? It's kind of cool. Okay, but also maybe too matchy. The last pair of glasses I have to try on is called the Felix, and it's in the color Sandalwood Matte. Another piece of advice is to put pictures on your social media and just like ask your friends, hey, which one do you like better? I like the idea of that because I like getting input from people. You can also @ Warby Parker on any of your social media as long as it's public, and make sure you use hashtag Warby Home Try-On and they'll respond to you and let you know what they think is best. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed my at-home try-on. If there's a specific model that you think looks best on me, comment that below. If there's any video ideas you have that you'd like to see from me, comment that below too. If you like the video, make sure to like that video. I hope you guys have a really good day. Next, I wanted to let you guys know to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Bye guys, we're gonna go take a nap.